It is crazy.
I think they got an accident.
Okay.
Ooh, just on time.
Yeah.
Let's see, he almost crashed into those cars. Go for it.
Bye.
So we are leaving the family. We are not going to travel much further in the next couple of months, so we need to drive to a place where we can store the bikes. We have some work to do for the next couple of months, and well, that is one of the things that is the reality. Sometimes when work comes in and you want to keep traveling, you just need to do the work for a couple of months. So we have about 400 kilometers to go to where we're going to store the bikes, but we decided to do it in 2 drives, or in 2 days. So it's about 150 or 200 kilometers today, and then the same stretch tomorrow. We're going to store the bikes there, and then we will be off to Johannesburg for a couple of months. A little bit forward? Oh well, no, it's fine. Don't worry. I thought it would be more forward. Good morning. It's fine. Thank you.
So you ready?
Yep.
Right.
Away,
Yeah, I just need to not bump with my...
no, you're far away.
We have to unfortunately go through town. It's a little bit crappy, but it is what it is. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Now it takes a very bumpy road. Go out. Okay. Alright, so now we are on course.
With the rain the last couple of days, just look at how green it already became since we actually got here.
Yeah, it's crazy, eh? There's all of a sudden all the green's popping out. It is a little bit chilly this morning, 17 degrees. With wind. Pothole here.
That's it. I got very good at spotting them. It's one thing, learning to ride a bike in South Africa on these roads. You learn to look forward.
Yeah, very quickly, eh?
turning into the rain.
Oh no, I see that. Oh well, I mean, the wind is also moving, so...
I don't think you can see it on the GoPro, but I can see it raining. Oh well, there it is. I don't even have to wait for long.
Yeah.
Right, do you want to take the stuff off?
Yeah, I think so. Just get a nice place where we can stop. Yeah, that's fine. Just go slowly off.
Whee! Oh, that's a lot of gravel over here. Alright. So, I think if you see there, I don't think you can see it on the GoPro, but I can see some more rain coming, and we just need to get all our cameras and battery banks out of the rain. So once it's dry, we'll put it back on, but for now it is going to be, yeah, what is it going to be? Nothing, no images, nothing.
Yeah, when we stand still, it doesn't really feel like raining, but yeah.
Alright.
Let's pack it away. Look at my boots. And somebody had diarrhea.
Alright, so a quick stop, and we should be on our way, and I can get back on the bike.
Yep.
So I hope it's not going to start raining again, but we are going to try again with the GoPro.
But we had an interesting ride. A lot of mud and slippery gravel with the roadworks.
No, it was a little bit of a rough ride. A lot of deep mud, roadworks, rain on and off, and there was a big rock that fell off the truck that luckily hit me on my shoulder and not on my visor or on the bike. So my shoulder can handle that. But yeah, we now have a short ride. I think it's about 60 or 80 kilometers to Potchefstroom. So yeah, the interesting part we couldn't film so far. Maybe something more interesting will happen, you never know. But that happens sometimes. So weather doesn't want to cooperate. Yeah, I think it's good that we didn't decide to go all the 400 kilometers. I know it's still early, it's 1 o'clock right now. So I think we'll probably at 2 o'clock in Potchefstroom. And then we still need to find a place to stay. We're not gonna go camping. I think we're gonna get some rain tonight. And we just want to head off early tomorrow again. So we'll just find a cheap room to stay in. But then we have the afternoon to just relax a little bit. I think we're gonna get rain again.
Yeah, I think so too. But oh god. Into the mud I go. Righto. Are we gonna go get wet?
We will get wet. The cameras will go back in.
Yeah. Okay.
So
I'll see you.
not very successful, but I we will see if we can film a little bit in Potchefstroom or wherever we're staying, and otherwise we will see you again tomorrow.
Sugar fatty. He just goes on.
Yeah, I see.
Okay.
Right.
Hello.
Good morning. So we slept in Potchefstroom last night, and yeah, when we got here it was very busy, very chaotic, bad weather, hard wind. So we went to the first hotel we could find and had something to eat and just slept. So today we only have about 150 kilometers to go. Yeah, the weather we will see. It is still very cloudy and windy. So he's checking himself out of the mirror.
Yeah. Alright, so well, let's get on.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's easier.
Yeah.
Alright, I have 3 bars, but
Yeah, you'll be fine.
I know. We either, well, we probably wanted to have it empty by the time we get to. We don't want to store it with a full tank, really.
But it's fine. But I mean, Zwartruggens isn't far, so we can always fill up there if we want to.
Always have the feeling we forget something. But anyway,
Okay.
I think we can go.
Okay, well, let's go. Ooh, nice oil there.
I will go around it. So we're now riding through a province of South Africa called Northwest. We weren't really planning on driving through because there wasn't that much to see, according to us. But it is going to be the place where our bikes are going to be stored. So we will have to ride a little bit through the Northwest. It's going to be a fun ride with this wind.
Yeah, no, this one sucks.
Yeah, it's okay. That was a big door right in front of my face.
You sound so South African right now.
Ja, nou dat door word weer right in Afrikaans.
Okay, I'll have to stop and just clean my visor.
Alright, did you give it a big smudge?
Yeah, no, it was a big dung beetle.
Oh, okay.
But I'll get a spot.
Doesn't take that long to clean your visor. Depending on how big that bug was, of course, but
It was a big bloody bug. Where are you going?
yeah,
You're like
like I said, wee, wee.
Right.
It's windy.
It's very windy.
What is wrong with you now? Alright, I think I am close to a stone. Or I'm riding on top of a stone. So I'm probably going to stall it for a little.
Oh, there you go.
No, I'm not. Yay, nothing coming, huh? Well, little bikey, let's see how far you can go. And we might be testing you a little bit. It is so misty. And it is so windy. And my fuel is getting low. It is a perfect adventure. Come on, petrol station, we're gonna need you soon. I don't know what's closer, Derby or Ventersdorp.
Derby.
Oh, I can't see much cars, but let's go this way.
I don't know who's gonna make it.
If not, you're the backup plan.
Yeah.
I see
yay.
more.
Okay. 200 meters. Yay.
Seriously, 200 meters.
Yeah.
Oh, then it will be fine. There, in the mist, hidden is a petrol station. Straight in front of us. We made it! We made it to the petrol station!
Okay.
Ah,
Did you run out of fuel now?
that would have been funny. No, I was just being stupid. Come, let's go.
Right there.
Okay. And
I'm gonna open my visor.
yeah, okay, there's a car. Oh yeah, that's bloody, that's very cold, but at least we can see.
Yes.
Another broken car.
I just wanted to say that's the second one in the last 500 meters.
Yes, you really can't see the traffic, eh? Yeah, come on, wind.
It is crazy.
Now it's getting very thick again, yeah. I think they got an accident. Yep.
Yeah.
Probably with this truck over here. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to pull over here. It's too. When there's a truck, they're gonna go right.
Oh. Okay.
Ooh, just on time.
Yeah.
See, he almost crashed into those cars.
Yep. Fucking idiots.
I can't go faster with the visor open.
No, it's fine. The truck behind us, he is behaving himself, but the truck behind that one, he just wants to overtake.
Yeah,
But I think he got a fright now, now he almost crashed, so I think he will stay where he belongs.
Oh, this is ridiculous. Well, this is a fantastic town.
It's absolutely amazing. Looks like it rained quite a lot here.
Yeah, it does. That car is going so slow. Right, so visibility is better, and still wet and cold and windy. But we don't have that far to go anymore.
Oh, you don't really go in much far, do you?
No, but it is slippery. There's lots of...
I thought you would be straight in. Well, that's not too bad. No.
No, but shall I come to your bike? Because I can put my feet down.
I don't know how slippery this is. Okay, wait. Voilà.
Okay, ben gaat.
How's my hair looking? Fantastic. Okay. So we are now here at the hangar. The bikes are going to get stored in there, and yeah, it's a sad moment because we have to put the adventure a little bit on hold. We have to say goodbye to Buddy and to Mouse for at least a month, but hopefully the adventures continue faster than what we think. But we'll see you guys soon. Bye bye. You come say goodbye. Kids, you're sad.
Bye.
Bye, little mouse.
Alright, but we'll be back